Question number 1. Which of the following of not the among the season of India? Option A climate. Option B retreating monsoon. Option C winter. Option B milk. The correct answer is option A climate. Question number 2. Mangrove forests can thrive in Option A sweet water. Option B polluted water. Option B polluted water. Option D saline water. The correct answer is option D saline water. Question number 3. During the winter season the sun rays. Option A falls zigzag manner. Option B falls horizontally. Option C falls directly. Option B block mountains. The correct answer is option D falls slantly. Question number 4. When does the cold season recognize in India? Option A July to August. Option B December to February. Option C October to November. Option D May to June. The correct answer is option B December to February. Question number 5. Tropical deciduous forest are also called Option B grid. Option B 360. Option C monsoon. Option B mountain. The correct answer is option C monsoon. Question number 6. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of Option A retreating monsoon. Option B monsoon. Option C rice. Option D winter. The correct answer is option A retreating monsoon. Question number 7. During the southwest monsoon period the moisture-laden winds blow from Option A land to sea. Option B sea to land. Option C mountains to sea. Option D plateaus to plains. The correct answer is option B sea to land. Question number 8. Wild goat and snow leopards are found in Option A Himalayan region. Option C Atlantic Ocean. Option C Peninsular region. Option D Gir forests. The correct answer is option A Himalayan region. Question number 9. Dash forests can survive in saline water. Option A, thorny bushes. Option B, mountains. Option C, galaxy. Option D, deciduous. The correct answer is option C, mangrove. Question number 1. Mahogany and rosewood trees are found in Option A, tropical evergreen forest. Option B, tropical deciduous forest. Option C, mangrove forests. Option D, mountain vegetation. The correct answer is option A, tropical evergreen forest.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी तुरंत हमारे इस चैनल लर्न विद ऐपी को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाए रखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आपको और कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए हमें कमेंट करके बताएं। इस वीडियो को अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड को शेयर करें और देखें किसको कितना नॉलेज है। मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।